Hey you guys, Chloe So Chic here with another Toyotress crochet install. Now, what I will be installing today are the Toyotress Boho Havana Crochet Twist. These are 14 inches, the color 1B, and there were 8 packs in this bag. So usually I'll go ahead and install a few in the front of my head, and then I'll go to the back before filling in, and then obviously finishing the perimeter of my hair. So I'll go ahead and show you that. Now, a close-up of this, you'll see me go ahead and put my finger through the loop of the hair, put the crochet needle through my braid in the front, put the loop on the crochet needle and pull it under my hair, and then I'll go ahead and pull the rest of the twist through the loop. And it's that simple and it's super easy to do, and anybody can do it. And just make sure it's secure and that it's as flat as possible. Now I'll go ahead and show you how I'll do it in the back. And I literally just pull, like I said, the twist through my hair or under my braid, and then I go ahead and loop it through. So let's go ahead and do that.
Let's go.
So this is about half of my hair done in the back, and then like I said, I'm going to go ahead and start adding in more twists in the front before filling in the middle section. So that's what you'll see me doing, is filling in the perimeter of my hair. Okay, so I finished the perimeter of my hair. I'm going to go ahead and fill in the middle section, and this is what we're looking like. Okay, now you guys, I'm feeling right now like I could actually fill this hair in some more. So like I said, this is the initial look. I really love the Havana curls on these twists, but let me show you how it looks fuller. And yeah, I loved her way fuller. I'm all about big hair. I love this look. I love these twists. Like I said, these are super easy to install. I believe this took me about 2 hours to install. I don't believe it took me more than that. Now, I did go ahead and do my base earlier that day. So the base was a separate time, and I took my time with that, so I don't even want to give you that timing. But yeah, she's cute. And then I'm going to show you guys my final look. And your girl was cute. I love this look. I'm ready for my social outing with my friends. Like I said, I love the curls on these twists. They're so cute. Let me know what you think about the look in the comments. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and share if you care. I'll see you guys on the next one.